Jessie has 5 meters of twine and needs to cut it into lengths that are 1/4 of a meter long. How many lengths will he have? Express this problem in a number sentence that uses division. So let's go back to the given information. So Jessie has 5 meters of twine, and twine is like we have a picture of some twine, so specifically 5 meters, and he needs to cut it into lengths that are 1/4 inch of a meter long. So that's the need. Now the question is, how many lengths will he have? And we want to express this as a number sentence, like using operation, and specifically they're helping us with division. So let's start by drawing the situation. So graph paper will be easier, and then we are like cutting, or it says cutting, so dividing equally into 1/4. So I want one whole to be divided in 4 equal pieces. So the denominator is like the divisor where we cut into in terms of pieces. So we have 5 meters, and we want to cut into 1/4 pieces of a meter. So I'm going to be meter or meter. Okay, so right now, if I'm going to draw a diagram, if I start from here, my one whole is divided into 4 pieces. So there you go. So from 0 meters, I go to 1 meter and divide it into 4 equal parts. So go ahead and continue with the drawing until you get 5 meters. So I did my number line. Now I have to be counting. This says how many, so that is counting. How many lengths will we have? And the lengths have to be 1/4 of a meter. So right here, this red represents 1/4. So that's one part, one length, because they're all gonna be the size. So all I have to do is either count on my number line or figure out a different way. For example, there's 4 pieces in one whole, and then there's 5 holes. So what would that be? Now, you're gonna answer that on your own, like I said, by counting or doing a different type of operation. But right now it says express this problem as a division. So we started a total of 5 meters, and then we're dividing into 1/4 meters, and then we're gonna use length. So how many pieces, so I'm gonna say pieces, but they are saying lengths. So go ahead and answer that question on your own and finish the problem.